Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable rich pins on Pinterest. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is go to developers.pinterest.com. Over here, you need to add metadata to your content. After that, depending on your platform like Shopify or WordPress, you can add the required code easily. Then, if you are using articles, products, recipes, or apps, Pinterest will provide specific metadata you need to add. Over here, you need to copy the given code and paste it into your website. After that, go to the Rich Pins Validator on Pinterest. Over here, paste the URL of your blog post or product page and click Validate. Then, if everything is correct, you will see a message saying that your rich pins are approved. So that's basically how you can enable rich pins on Pinterest. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.